Hi kids, I'm Mr. Langford and this is a video on how to carry. Kind of a confusing thing for little kids. So, let's take a look at this. Here's how we add 46 plus 7. When you're in first grade or in kindergarten, you don't have to add these kind of numbers. You just add like 4 plus 3 or whatever like that. You get into second grade and you're adding two-digit numbers and you also have to carry. So let's add these lines which kind of help. I'm going to add a line there to show us the difference between the ones column and the tens column. And we can only put one digit in each column. Alright, that makes sense. So if we're going to add 6 plus 7, what is 6 plus 7, kids? That's right, it's 13. I can't do this. I can't put 13 down here in the ones column. I can only put one digit there. So I'm going to put the 3 and I got to carry the 1 over to this side. Just like, got to carry something. You're going to carry the 1. So sometimes in the textbook they got a little box up there. That's fine. You put the 1 up there. Now we add it. We added 6 plus 7. We got something here. Now we add 4 and the 1 up there. That's so easy. What's 4 plus 1? Super easy. That's 5. And you're done. That's it. Let me show you a couple of mistakes that you can make. The most common mistakes. First of all, 6 plus 7, you put 13 over here. Then 4 plus nothing, you put 4 over here, and you've got 46 plus 7 equals 413. That's way too big. That's not even close. That's the first mistake you can make. So remember, only one digit in each column. Here's another mistake you can make. 6 plus 7 we decided was 13. But I can't put two digits here, right? So I have to carry. I put my 3 here, and I got to put the 1 up here. One thing kids do is they forget to add the 1. They do everything right. 6 plus 7 is 13. But then they just do 4 plus nothing is 4. They forget the 1 up there. They forget about it. It's poor number 1. Forgotten about. Pretty sad. All right, let's do another one. $68 plus 5. All right. First thing I'm going to do is remind us that we have two columns here. Right? We have the ones column and the tens column. So, first of all, you got to add 8 plus 5. What's 8 plus 5? Yeah, that's right. 8 plus 5 is 13 again. But I can't put 13 over here, right? I got to carry one of them over there. So I put the 3 here. And let's pretend there's a box. And I carry the 1 over there. 8 plus 5 is 13, right? Now I've got to add over here. That's easy. What's 6 plus 1? A kindergartner knows what 6 plus 1 is. That's 7. And 68 plus 5 is 73. Pretty simple. Really simple. But you got to remember about the line to show that you've got the ones and tens. You have to remember that you can only put one digit over here. And you have to remember, if you put something in the box, don't forget about it. You've got to add it and bring it down with that. Just like if you go to a restaurant and you don't eat everything and you get some pizza and put it in a box, put it in the car, right? And you leave it in the car, you forget about it, it's in the car. Pretty soon you get a stinky car because the pizza's been in there 3 days. If you put something in that box, don't forget about it. You have to add it. This is a long video. I'm going to do one more, though. $35 plus 9. How do we do that? First of all, we drop. Sorry. That's right. First of all, we draw the line to show we have a 1 side and a 10 side. 5 plus 9, what is that? Right, 14. But I can't put 14 in the one side, right? Only one digit. So what do? I carry. So 14, I put the 4 here. I carry the 1. So 5 plus 9 is 14. Now what do? I add the 10 side. 3. Is there something to add? Is there something in the box? 3 plus 1 is 4. Easy. So 35 plus 9 is 44. And what are we trying to remember? Trying to remember that we can only put one digit on each side. Try to remember that we have to carry the first digit over because that's a 10. We've made a 10. And don't forget to add whatever's in the box. It's really not very hard. You just got to pay attention and be careful. All right, I'm Mr. Langford. I hope you have a good day. See you next time.